Yet another rainy day here on the homestead. Probably around noon. It's been raining for an hour now. Good times. So I'm in the garage. I just cleaned up, I swept everything up. Feeling pretty good about this. And right now, this is my project. This old sledgehammer was out in the field. It had been left outside for a number of years. And I grabbed it. And I'm gonna redo it. Did put a new handle on it and jewel it out. Let's get started. That was pretty easy. I didn't expect that to come out that easy. Metal wedge just flew out somewhere. I got a bunch of flap discs. There's a farm implement store that had these things on sale for a really good price, so I bought a ton of them. These flap discs are very, very useful. They don't really grind metal. You can get pretty aggressive with them, but they polish stuff really well. And I've got several grinders. I've got one I use for cutting, one I use for grinding, and then the other one I got a flap disc on. Because inevitably you're changing discs all the time when you're working with metal. You're either grinding, you're cutting, you're using the flap disc, and it's just a pain to have to keep changing the disc. So these grinders were on sale when I bought them, and I've got one for each process. I don't have to change the disc all the time, so that's good. Always unplug it when you go to change discs. So it's a 6-pounder that got revealed, which made for pretty light work. Looks like it's made in Spain. I don't know that the Spanish are really known for their steel, but whatever. And I didn't grind it all the way down to bare metal, get all those pits out with the rust. I don't think that's necessary. I just wanted to shine it up a little bit and make it look respectable. It needs to look like it does work, not just something to look at. Now let's see if I can find a handle for it. I got a bunch of handles. I don't know if I've got anything that's suitable for this, but I may have to go buy one, put on it, but we'll see. So here's an old handle I kept. I bought a double bit axe at a rummage sale for like $5 or something. It looks like it might work. I'll sand it down, cut it. See if I can make it fit, look respectable. Probably 4 or 5 more coats of linseed oil. This thing will be ready to go. Let that linseed oil soak in real good. Here's the fit. Not too bad. Turned out pretty good. Thanks for watching.